Hello students, this is the second video for class 2 of lesson 1. The name of the chapter is care. In this chapter we are going to complete the exercises given in this lesson. So let's start. Number the sentences in the correct order. There are 5 lines, 5 sentences, and we have to order them accordingly given in the lesson. The first will be Rajat fell ill. B. After that one there will be D. His parents took him to the doctor. After that C. Bruno went to the park on its own. After that E. Rajat looked for Bruno everywhere. And B. Rajat saw Bruno playing with other dogs in the park. So this is the correct order for these sentences. Now in the question number 2, we have to tick upon the correct option. Bruno liked to. The correct answer will be 3. Run after the dogs in the park. Bruno was very sad because Rajat was not able to take it to the park. The option number 1 will be the answer. The question number C. Rajat forgot to take Bruno to the park because the answer will be 2. He was busy playing computer games. D. Playing with other dogs. Bruno was playing with the other dogs in the park. The option number 1 is the correct answer. Now in the segment B, some words, disordered words has been given and we have to find out the correct word. The option B1, a person who is trained to travel in a spacecraft is known as an astronaut. It has been signaled by A. B. A person who sells fruits and vegetables, those are called the greengrocer. Option number B, greengrocer. Let's move to C. A person who makes or repairs wooden furniture is known as carpenter. At the very last line, carpenter. Now let's move to D. A person who weaves cloth is known as weaver. It is just by the side of the astronaut. Astronaut. Weaver. E. A person who builds walls with bricks is known as mason. greengrocer. ठीक आर के नीचे आप देखेंगे mason लिखा हुआ है. So these are the some of the vocabularies. Now let's move to the question number 2 of segment B. We have to use the opposite words given in the clues. The clues has been given here and we have to fill the opposite of them. In the across, previous, bitter, defeat, proud, hardworking. These words have been given, and in the down section, cheap and kind has been given. So the answer will be, the first one is cheap. It is down, and the answer will be, the opposite of cheap will be expensive. Here you can see expensive. Now let's move to question number 2. Previous. The answer will be next. N-E-X-T, next. Third, bitter. There is sweet. S-W-E-E-T, sweet. 4, defeat. Defeat means the opposite of defeat will be victory. मतलब जीत. Defeat का मतलब होता है हार. 5th, proud. The opposite of proud will be polite. P-O-L-I-T-E, polite. Now at the 6th number, kind. And the opposite of kind is cruel. C-R-U-E-L. 7, hardworking and the opposite for hardworking is lazy. L-A-Z-Y. Students, in the grammar section, we have to fill up the article using a, an or the. Let's move. Ritu is buying a pen and an envelope, because envelope, the first letter of envelope is in the next, let me show you the slide. Ritu is buying a pen and an envelope. Envelope, it starts with E, that's why an has been used, and pen, it starts with P sound, that is consonant sound, so A has been used here. पेन जो है P साउंड से शुरू होता है, जो कि कॉन्सोनेंट है, इसलिए A का प्रयोग किया गया. इन्वेलप E यानी कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड से वावेल साउंड से शुरू हो रहा है, इसलिए N का प्रयोग किया गया. वी वांट टू विजिट द ताजमहल इन आगरा. ताजमहल एक नाम है, नाम के पहले, इसलिए द का प्रयोग किया गया, एक विशेष वस्तु को दिखाता है. द प्रेसिडेंट इज गिविंग द स्पीच. प्रेसिडेंट जो कि एक पार्टिकुलर पर्सन होते हैं, वो एक विशेष भाषण दे रहे हैं. सबीना एंड विशाल प्लेड क्रिकेट फॉर एन आवर. HOUR लिखा तो हुआ है HOUR, लेकिन जब आप इसको पढ़ेंगे, उच्चारण करेंगे, तो आप बोलेंगे आवर. इसलिए इसके पहले, चूंकि आवर आ जो है ये एक वावेल साउंड है, इसलिए यहां पर एन का प्रयोग होगा. द पेंटिंग ऑन द वॉल इज ब्यूटिफुल. वॉल के ऊपर की जो पेंटिंग है वो विशेष प्रकार की पेंटिंग है, और ये पेंटिंग का है वॉल के ऊपर, तो पार्टिकुलर एक वस्तु को दिखाया जा रहा है, इसलिए यहाँ पर द का प्रयोग किया जाएगा. ई नंबर में द का प्रयोग. एन एलिफेंट एंड अ डॉग वेयर फ्रेंड्स. एक हाथी और एक कुत्ता, ये दोनों ही मित्र थे, इसलिए एलिफेंट ई से शुरू हुआ, इसलिए एन का प्रयोग किया गया. ई जो है वॉवेल है, और डॉग का डी जो है वो एक कॉन्सोनेंट है, इसलिए ए का प्रयोग किया गया. वन डे, एक दिन, द एलिफेंट, यहाँ पर द एलिफेंट इसलिए प्रयोग हुआ क्योंकि यहाँ पर विशेष एलिफेंट को दिखाया गया जो कि उसका दोस्त था, इसलिए द एलिफेंट. द एलिफेंट इन्वाइटेड द डॉग फॉर द लंच. तो यहाँ पर क्या होगा? THE, द. I have written. So students, now let's move the second segment. Second number question. Viva about many, the plural form of dress will be dresses. Viva about many dresses. He gave her a box full of sweets. The plural form of sweet will be sweets. My mother is peeling a potato. Because A has been used. A का प्रयोग किया गया है, A मतलब एक, तो पोटैटो एक हुआ, इसलिए इसका सिंगुलर फॉर्म भी सेम रहेगा, यानी पोटैटो ही रहेगा. द चाइल्ड फेल डाउन एंड लॉस्ट 4 टीथ. टूथ जो है ये सिंगुलर फॉर्म है और इसका प्लूरल फॉर्म होता है टीथ, इसलिए यहां पर टीथ का प्रयोग होगा. द वुड कटर कट द ट्री इनटू 2 halves. HALVES, halves, यानी लकड़हारे ने पेड़ को 2 टुकड़ों में बांट दिया. So students, this is all for today. I do hope that it will be beneficial for you to complete this lesson. This is all for today. Thank you. Stay safe, stay blessed.